Shibenta nagi program joga Rakhe Independence Day bah nyopu prakari India kabal penlong daka office Pynursla Civil Subdivision haka khatsan teringunai lar araja arpusau hamadan urkso wa pathau ki jingya ko peniskit ki jingshat bat ruai na ki samla bat khana pulia na ki college bat school ka than Pynursla ki day ki bala Khring bha ya ki bala wan man saki haka ni gasngi kawai na kini ka degi jingpan I jingshat halor ki Shipai ki bahap ban ialah ki kurem bat ki bahayeng ban lektur bat yap hamadan thma balapen wandur da ki samla puli ka raj sabang border area RMSE school Pynursla ka bala ra ru ya ka kerdan badingkong ya ka kerdan ba ar pat la yo ra da ka pedeng raj border area upper primary and secondary school ka balapen I ya ki jingshat ki bayadei ba ka Jinglenlade ki noyelet laj loj kum Mahatma Gandhi bat Bhagat Singh na ki bor sensyar pareng Kyrwoh College kalara ekanam ka balai da ka pen I ka Skit bat Jingmut lor ka jing kun laj loj bat syakyam utirot sings em ka himan nongklau ka jing syakyam bat sya phasi wo kyang nang ba bat ka jing khi khlam de snam Mahatma Gandhi ya ka jing le don bor ki pareng
As a leader of India's independence.
Shwa kini ki program kala don ka march pass da ki pulet bat ki khna school ka than Pynursla ki badan hadu arpuai kin hon bat ya ka rastriya salute la shim da uyan botham ke sangma u MLA ka Salman Para constituency kum ukong san. Hakani ka sngi la don lang ka kong EL Wardri SDO ka Pynursla civil subdivision u KN sangma subdivisional police officer u ba ke Kharmon BDO Pynursla CNRD block nalor ki no hikai ki officer na kitana trai kam ba pher hakate ka subdivision. Na ka jingya ko march pass ya ka kerdan baningkong lara da ka Asarfi Academy Higher Secondary School Girls Contingent ya ka kerdan baar da ka St. Anthony's English Lower Primary School Girls Contingent but ya ka kerdan ka balai da ka Preng Raj Border Area Upper Primary and Secondary School Boys Contingent. Hakani ka sngi la samro ika kus number pun ko buram ru ya ki samla puli ki brain na ka Pynursla civil subdivision ki bala pass bah ki examen jongki haki kerdan prepare joka SSLC HSSLC arts but science examination araja arpsaw but bachelor's degree. Nangta ka office SDO kala pun ko buram ru iki nong train na kitanat prepare ki bala IT met but mensim hakakam bakentop ya ka kong Hermelinda khongla but uba bhabok sing sawian. Nalor kini la ai krusnam ru syakasnong tenriang kabala pentrai kambhaya ka scheme MGNREGA bat kasnong sim kabala la ban pentulun bahaya ki kam hakapia dei bat ka kot ka khia kumjuru la pen ko buram ya ka ban kersoy village organization Pynursla umkor ka ba pentrai kambhaya ki self help group.
It has been a great year of great significance for Meghalaya as our ambitious economic growth plan for transforming the state into a $10 billion economy took shape in the form of Mission 10. Under this plan, we have identified 10 opportunity sectors which hold immense potential to generate prosperity for the state. We have also assured 10 welfare guarantees to the citizens so that prosperity is equitably distributed among all Meghalayans. The law and order situation in the state was by and large peaceful throughout the year. The general elections were conducted smoothly in April. The process of resolving the interstate border dispute with Assam made steady progress this year. Committees deployed in both states are working towards an amicable solution to the dispute in the remaining 6 areas. The 3 new criminal laws, namely Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam have come into force from 1st July 2024. The government of Meghalaya, through a notification on 26 June 2024, has applied the provision of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita to the courts of Meghalaya. However, the autonomous district councils will continue to function under the provision of the 6th schedule. In wake of the recent crisis in Bangladesh, government of Meghalaya has heightened security along the border. We have also taken steps to coordinate the evacuation of our students studying there. An online registration platform is being introduced to ensure the availability of real-time data on Meghalayan studying or working abroad. Meghalaya's state expenditure has more than doubled from rupees 10,967 crores to rupees 27,027 crores in the last 5 years as an outcome of improved governance, financial management, and efficient service delivery. Capital expenditure alone has grown fivefold over this period. The state is now poised to absorb greater resources and achieve unprecedented level of growth. The income of Meghalaya's farmers continued to rise as a result of targeted interventions in cultivation and marketing of remunerative crops. More than 1.5 lakh households have benefited from the mission mode projects in the cultivation of Lakadong turmeric, Kasi mandarin, ginger, mushroom, and jackfruit. Newer initiatives like the State Organic Mission will bring 1 lakh hectares under certified organic cultivation. The Floriculture Mission has been launched with the aim of making Meghalaya a major producer of exotic flowers. The recently announced CM Farm Plus initiative will provide farmers with planting material and cash support to expand the area under cultivation of high-value crops like fruits and spices. The state supply chain infrastructure has been strengthened with 166 primary processing units and more than 200 warehouses and cold storages. 25,000 cultivators and agro-entrepreneurs are currently able to store, process, and market their products through 11 operational prime hubs. One such unit, the Rongara Prime Hub in remote South Kyrwoh Hills district, has the capacity to process 1,000 metric tons of jackfruit and quadruple the income of more than 8,000 local farmers. Another 22 prime hubs are in various stages of development. Meghalaya's farmers exported more than 10 metric tons of high-value horticultural produce this year to overseas markets. 10 metric tons of pineapples from Kyrwoh Hills were recently sold at the second Meghalaya Pineapple Festival held in New Delhi, India. The CM Elevate program has provided a massive impetus to Meghalaya's animal husbandry sector. About 20,000 livestock and poultry farmers have applied for bank-linked financial subsidies under the scheme. 3,000 dairy, poultry and piggery enterprises will be supported this year under the scheme. Another 1,100 dairy farmers have been consolidated into 103 dairy cooperative societies under the Meghalaya Milk Mission. Meghalaya's fish production capacity increased by 500 metric tons last year as an outcome of advanced fish culturing methods introduced under Meghalaya State Aquaculture Mission. The most notable rise has been witnessed in production of the nutritious Indian carp species. To support Meghalaya's weavers, 3 new handloom clusters are being developed at Riewïaleh, Salsela, Vilamnagar, and 3 Muga silk farms are being built in Riewïaleh, West Kyrwoh Hills, North Kyrwoh Hills. The integrated textile tourism complex at Nongpo in Riewïaleh district is being built to provide design diversification and market linkage facilities to the state's weavers. More than 5 lakh households across Meghalaya have benefited from MGNRGS. In 2023-24 alone, almost 80,000 households have availed employment opportunities, earning a total of rupees 128 crores in wages. The state witnessed one of the sharpest annual rises nationally in women beneficiaries under the scheme. We have also connected almost 5 lakh women with income opportunities to 49,000 self-help groups formed under the National Rural Livelihood Mission. We have already built more than 73,000 new houses out of the targeted 1.8 lakhs under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana program. We aspire to achieve universal coverage of all remaining eligible beneficiaries by the end of the current year. The state government is committed to care for vulnerable social groups. More than 67,000 senior citizens, 37,000 single mothers, and 14,000 persons with disability are being supported with a monthly pension under the CM Care program. Another 2,000 students with disabilities are being provided scholarship. To combat the challenge of substance abuse, a number of rehabilitation initiatives are being undertaken under the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission. Under Mission Vatsal Ya scheme, 1,000 children who have fallen upon difficult circumstances are being provided non-institutional care. There are currently 6,162 Anganwadi centers across Meghalaya providing nutritional and developmental care to almost 4.5 lakh children and 65,000 pregnant and nursing mothers. As an outcome of this, we have achieved a significant reduction in malnutrition and stunting among Meghalaya's newborns. Meghalaya's healthcare sector has witnessed a remarkable transformation. State expenditure on healthcare has almost doubled in the last 5 years. Meghalaya is blessed with immense tourism potential and countless natural and cultural tourism assets. With the exponential increase in tourist footfall, 5,000 jobs have already been created in this sector. We are utilizing Meghalaya's pristine geography to develop experiential adventure and MICE tourism destinations and make the sector more commercially vibrant. The government has created a pipeline of projects worth over rupees 2,000 crores for private sector investment. This includes 6 luxury resorts in Shillong, New Shillong, Sora and Mosindram, and 4 5-star hotels in Shillong, New Shillong, Khanapara and Tura. Glamping accommodations are being developed in 6 locations including Umiam, Sora, Nokrek and Atiar, each with a capacity of 350 units. Foundation stone of the iconic Shillong Peak ropeway and the rural tourism sites in the villages of Kongtong, Molingot and Kudengrim was laid by the Honorable President of India earlier this year. These projects are being built under the Meghalaya Ecotourism Infrastructure Development Project, along with the Shillong Integrated Sports and Hospitality Complex and the Tura Convention Center, the Sora Waterfall Trail and the Momlu Cave Experiential Center have been sanctioned under the Swadesh Darshan 2.0 scheme. Plans for developing the Natyang monoliths and the Moplang sacred groves have also been submitted to the Ministry of Tourism. More than 630 entrepreneurs are in the process of setting up homestays through financial support provided under the Meghalaya Tourism Homestay Scheme. More than 5,000 stakeholders in the tourism sector are being trained to improve the overall quality of services offered to tourists. More than 3,000 local musicians have been promoted through the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. We recently launched the Hello Meghalaya OTT platform to provide support to filmmakers and audio-visual content creators in Meghalaya's indigenous language. Filmmakers, musicians and content creators can earn up to ₹5 lakhs per year by releasing their content on the platform. The first phase of Shillong Tech Park has already created 4,500 jobs opportunities for Meghalaya's IT professionals. The upcoming second phase is expected to create another 12,000 jobs. Enthused by this success, we are building a tech park in Tura to spread Meghalaya's IT boom to the Garo Hills. The state government is collaborating with PowerTel Corporation to bring high-speed internet to Meghalaya's tech entrepreneurs and domestic consumers. We have launched the multilingual citizens grievance redressal helpline and platform CM Connect. The solution enables the government to gauge the delivery of schemes, the effectiveness of different services, and promptly address citizens' grievances. We are also in the process of deploying a cadre of 1,000 village data volunteers who would facilitate service delivery and grievance redressal at the citizens' doorsteps. So before I conclude, I would like to thank the district administration, the police personnel, the entire state administrative machinery, public representatives, community leaders, non-governmental organizations, the media, and the citizen volunteers who are indispensable participants in our endeavor to develop our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Once again, I wish all my fellow Indians a very happy Independence Day. Kublai, Mutela, Jai Hind.
Hadirin ki program namadan UMLE lem ka kenhun kila leku benok senyang daki jingbam syaki batia pangkum ki Khring bat ki long kwi ha Pynursla CHC ha ka jinga dan lang ka SDO ki doktor bat ki we Pat ka kenhun kala lek ban senyang jingarap syaka jakari kun swat ka North East India Mission Association nema ka badon halat menring daki tiar kitar bat na kaliang MLA ulon nok senyang ru dak pisah.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya